How to add Zoom to Eventbrite. Eventbrite is a popular online platform designed for creating, promoting, and managing events. First, log in to your Eventbrite account. Click in Manage My Events. Click on Online Event page. Then scroll down and find Connect Zoom. Click on Connect Zoom. Click on Connect to Zoom. Create a new authentication. Then click Create. Then Zoom page will pop up. Click on Pre-approval. Then click on Authorize. Then select a user. Click on Next. Select option on Are you hosting a meeting or a webinar? Click on Create a new Zoom meeting. Click on Finish. You can also configure the configurations by clicking on the Edit button. That's it. Thanks for watching.